Alright YouTube, so this is the Sony SA-D40 4.1 home theater, and today I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see what's inside of it. So I get one speaker here, channel, and the main subwoofer box. Well, this one's weight is pretty light because nothing actually is in there. Only the speaker is mounted to this front panel, and here few buttons are there. So if I want to open this thing, this speaker, then I have to remove this front panel, and that's gonna leave a mark here on this wooden cabinets, and I don't want that now. It's a new one, so we're gonna see the speaker if we can from the back side, and the main thing is in here. So let's open this thing and let's see what's inside of it. Okay, so first let's open this channel and let's see. So this is a speaker here, and you can see the specs mentioned here 3 watt. That's 3 watt and 12 ohms. That's the impedance, 12 ohms. That's a lot. Well, this is the 3-inch woofer, I guess. So that's it, and now let's open the big boy. Alright, so I have removed the kit from this plastic casing, and this is the kit. You can see. It's a digital class D amplifier, and this is one chip and this is another one. One is for the 4 channels and other one is for the subwoofer. So this is for the subwoofer, I guess, because the subwoofer is big and powerful. And as you have seen, the channels are only 3 watts. Yeah, so this I should be for the channels, and this one would be for the subwoofer preamp, I guess. And this is the power supply section. This is the power supply socket. This is a connection for the subwoofer, and this connection belt is for the front panel, the buttons and the lights and all the stuff, and this one is for the ground, I guess. And here you can see these two are for the left channels and these two are for the right channels connection. And the nice thing is back there, as you can see, this is the one speaker connection, and this is the one other speaker connection. And you can see the left pins are connected, and they have gone to here, and there the resistance and through the IC. and the other pins, the right ones, are connected, and they have gone from here. Same on this side. So technically this is a 2.1 amplifier. These are parallelly connected socket. That's why the speaker impedance was 12 ohms, because when you connect two speaker parallelly, the 12 ohms, they will become 6 ohms. So that's why now they both are working as a 6 ohms. These are parallelly connected. That's it. So this is what inside of the Sony SA-D40 home theater system, and hope you guys are gonna like this. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.